Want a way to bring in new customers and keep them coming back? That way is text messaging marketing. Be sure to watch this video to the end for a bonus tip on supercharging bringing in new customers and keep them coming back. Why text messaging marketing? Customers always have their phones on them. When customers subscribe to your text messages, it's easy to reach them. 98% open and read text messages within minutes of receiving them, according to Mobile Marketing Watch. Text messaging marketing is affordable and easy to do. Prices start as little as $15 USD per month. Text messaging marketing just plain works. With text messaging, customers return to buy again and again. How can your business use text messaging marketing? Provide value. Market your coupons, specials, events, news, contests, reservations. Send text message specials on slow days to generate business are just some of the ways. You're only limited by your imagination. Keys to successful text messaging marketing. 1. Offer people an enticing incentive to join your list with exclusive ongoing deals only for joiners. This grows and keeps them on your list to many interested in receiving your text messages. Incentives could be an instant discount, gift, draw for a prize. Ongoing deals could be coupon codes, weekly specials, new product specials, etc. Example, text join to 3335 for instant 30% off and exclusive deals every Wednesday. 2. Then advertise your VIP text messaging club everywhere. Advertise on your receipts, menus, flyers, signage, website, and social media. That it's free to join, can opt out at any time, and it's no more than 2 to 4 texts per month. This addresses any customer doubts, which increases the chances they join. That's how you can use text messaging marketing to grow your restaurant, spa, any business. Bonus tip, use a daily deal website like Groupon to generate new customers. And get them to join your list by offering them an incentive and ongoing benefits for joining. This grows your list fast, turning new customers into repeat ones. No more one-time Groupon buyers. See how text messaging marketing can increase your business today with your free 30-day trial. No credit card required. Here's the exclusive bit.ly link to sign up to access one of the best text messaging platforms in the world. Signed up for the trial? Contact us for your free initial advertising support. Or any questions? Contact us too at info@noticewebsites.com or sell or text 604-417-1020.